I came across the uLesson whilst looking for video animations online. I downloaded a trial version, and after going through, I realized that it is good, so I subscribed for my ward. Initially, she had problems in maths, so with the video animations on maths, it has helped her a lot.
Before I started using uLesson, I had a problem in maths. The uLesson app made it easier for me to understand fractions and skip counting. My
expectation was that she would be able to overcome some of the challenges she had in maths, and the app did that, as she has improved in the maths. I would recommend the uLesson to other people. There are a lot of lessons on it. There are questions you can ask and they will answer you. There are tests that you can also run. I will encourage all others to purchase for their wards.